Hi, friends. It's me again, Miss Jones, and we are still working on how to determine the theme of a text. Let's review the definition of a theme. What do you remember that a theme is? If you said the theme is the main message or the lesson learned in a text, then you're correct. Make sure that you understand that the theme is different from the title of a text and that it's a message that the author wants you to learn from reading the text. So let's look at our worksheet. We're going to get started. Determining the theme. Do you know the story of Spider-Man? After Peter Pan is bitten by a mutant spider, he mostly goofs around with his new powers. He doesn't capture criminals. In fact, he lets one go. But this bad decision teaches Peter an important lesson. With great power comes great responsibility. In other words, if you're Spider Man, you owe it to the world to use your powers to help others. This is a major theme or a lesson of many Spider Man stories. Let's look at the picture below. What lesson or theme does the picture seem to convey? So we see a young man and he has a word bubble. So he is saying, I used to be the worst player on the team, but I practice hard every day, rain or shine. You can determine the theme by studying the details of a text. The details help you draw a conclusion about the theme. In the chart below, we're going to write the theme and then we're going to add two more details to support the theme. So I'm going to make my own little bubble over to the side. And I feel that the theme is, for this young man, hard work plays off. That's what I think the theme is. What do you think? Would you have put something else? And I'm saying that pays off because he said he practiced hard every day, rain or shine. Okay? So one detail is used to be worst on the theme. What's another detail that we can put about him? How about practice hard every day? Is that something that you would agree with? Does it say that he practiced hard every day? Yes, it does. So that's another detail. Then we have one more detail. He won a trophy, and the trophy says most improved player. I think that is a very important detail. Most improved player. So we have our theme, hard work plays off. We have three details to support our theme. Awesome. So keep in mind that while reading, ask yourself, what is the lesson the author is trying to tell the reader? What details does the author use to teach this lesson? If you could ask and answer such questions, you'll figure out the author's theme and better understand what you read. We are now looking at our model instruction. Read the first 4 paragraphs of the following story. And this genre is a realistic fiction. Tiana Scar. So during this lesson, we're going to practice determining the theme and using details from the story. See if you can make a connection with a prior knowledge from something that has happened to you or someone that you know. And we are going to get started. Here we go. Tiana's Scar by Maria Kane. When she was 5 years old, Tiana was bitten by Rex, her uncle's dog. The bite left a small scar on Tiana's finger. Now 11, Tiana still avoids dogs wherever she goes. Every morning, Tiana walks an extra block to school to avoid walking by her neighbor's dog, Millie. Millie lies quietly behind a locked gate and doesn't bark much, but Tiana insists on avoiding the dog at all costs. When her best friend Kim laughed at Tiana's extra height one morning, Tiana exclaimed, "I don't care what you think. Passing a ferocious beast is not how I want to start my day." "Okay, calm down, Tiana," Kim responded as Tiana rushed away angrily. So let's explore how to answer this question. Which details are important in this part of the story? So you're going to start thinking about a theme the author might be developing, and you're going to underline the most important details. In the chart below, write down the important details you find. One has been done for you, and then add ideas about what themes the author might be developing. So we're going to look at the possible theme from our selection. So it could be, since she does not want to even go around the dog, it is better to be safe than sorry. Yes, that could be a theme. Then it could also be, it is important to face your fears. So we have two possible themes there. Now we're going to look at the detail. So they provided one with us. When she was 5 years old, Tiana was bitten by Rex, her uncle's dog. So that is one main detail. Let's see if we can find another one. Here we go. Another detail is now Tiana, now that she's 11, she still avoids dogs wherever she goes. So she's still avoiding those dogs wherever she goes. That is an important detail. So let's think about the last detail. I'm going to let you write that last detail in the comment section. And in order for you to receive credit, you have to fill in the last detail on your own. Here's the story. And in order to receive full credit, make sure you give me one more detail. Thank you. This is our mini lesson for today.